crazy keywords video for you. Today we are going to go through some listings, and there's an area under a listing that Poshmark has people searched for. And this is like a gold mine to find out what buyers are searching for. How do they craft their searches? What keywords are they using? And are those the kinds of keywords that we're using to craft our listing so we can make a match so that the SEO can do its thing? So we need to dive into these. We need to find out what kind of keywords people are searching for. There's usually always ones that are like good reminders. And then there's always one or two that are like mind blown. So I'll try to keep those to the end so that we'll go through them all, but then we'll do a recap at the end that basically picks the winner of the video to see what's the craziest keyword we can find. And then you can tell me in the comments if you knew about it and I just didn't know about it. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. Okay, let's dive in. So we have Billabong striped shorts, blue and white striped shorts of 3, Be Inspired athletic shorts of 3 shorts, black floral black and white shorts, high-rise Hollister shorts, Hollister of jean shorts, Hollister flow shorts, I don't know what those are, Hurley striped shorts, J. Crew 3 chino shorts, EUC. Interesting. I would not put EUC in my listing. I write it out. That's interesting. But I think the only one here that I would remind is that you should always be putting, whether it's pants or shorts, things like that, if it's high rise, put high rise because that is a good keyword. And I also put in high waisted if that applies. Massimo khaki shorts, Simply Southern shorts, H&M sweat shorts. Interesting. Sweat shorts. Okay, I've got it. Hollister Festival high-rise shorts, Pink boyfriend shorts, True Religion Joey shorts, Victoria's Secret booty shorts. You can't forget about booty shorts. That's a good keyword. Victoria's Secret denim shorts, white shorts American Eagle, and Taylor signature fit shorts. None of these are really very good. Stripe white BCBG shorts. So sometimes they all come up with the same kind of theme. As you can see, we're in shorts right now and they all say stripe white. So BCBG shorts, ASOS shorts, Bebe, white Billabong shorts, white divided shorts, white Docker shorts, white LEI shorts, white Toby shorts, white YMI, yellow Adidas shorts. So people are looking for stripes and they're looking for white shorts. We all know that. And so white is not usually a color that I like to source because I just feel like there's just so many opportunities for it to get dirty on my watch. And so I don't want to usually deal with it, or I might miss something or whatever, but people are searching for it. So if you want to be brave, go ahead and source that white stuff. I don't know how to say this. Acacia swim shorts, All Saint jean shorts, Alfred Dunner shorts, American Eagle shorts, black and white, American Eagle shorts pockets, American Eagle stretch shorts. So that is a good reminder. If there is elastane or spandex or other stretch material that make it not 100% rigid, it's not 100% cotton, it's 99% cotton, 1% elastane, that means there's stretch to it. And so you want to put stretch as a keyword. Cargo shorts, always a good keyword if it applies. Black high-waisted jean shorts, so nothing too crazy there. White Skort Forever 21, Target shorts Massimo, Zella, Skort, flowy high-waisted shorts. I don't know how you get flowy, but okay. Gap Aubrey shorts, Lululemon, 2 words, black shorts, Lululemon surf shorts. Surf shorts is an interesting keyword because often I feel like it's board shorts, but someone may not know that. Now, I don't know if Lululemon specifically has something called a surf short, but to me, it might be that they mean board shorts and they're calling them surf shorts. So that might be interesting. Nike ACG shorts. I don't know what ACG is. American Rag teal shorts, black satin shorts. So satin, teal, these are just good keywords in general. So far, the interesting one has been surf. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Denim lace shorts, cheap denim shorts. This comes up often whenever I do these keyword videos. Cheap. Someone is searching for cheap as a keyword. If you want to put it on your listing, you can. I had someone in the comments previously, it's like, I don't want to put it on my listing. It's like, I get that, but maybe it can help. I don't know. Maternity denim shorts, boyfriend denim shorts, Wrangler denim shorts, Free People denim lace shorts, long denim shorts, high-waisted denim cutoff shorts. I think we all would know that, but then you can put, frayed raw hem, things like that, loose denim shorts, light pink denim shorts. Okay, these all say black and white. Black and white, green, high-waisted shorts. What does that even mean? Black and white, green, high-waisted shorts. What does that mean? High-waisted frayed shorts. So there's frayed. High-waisted shorts, striped. Jolt shorts, Karen Scott shorts, Kennar shorts, Levi's jean shorts, LEI shorts, Liz Cabler shorts, Luca Couture shorts. Okay, so nothing too crazy there. Long cutoff jean shorts. Interesting. So what they mean is that they're more probably going down towards the knee, which would be, if I'm not mistaken, more of a Bermuda short. But I don't know if anybody says that anymore. Does anybody even call them that? Ugh, I don't know. High-waisted jean shorts, custom jean shorts, vintage Levi jean shorts, jean short shorts Tumblr. I saw it on Tumblr and they want the jean short shorts. And short shorts is a thing, so that's something that people would say. Jean shorts with rips. That's interesting, again, because somebody might put whiskered, frayed, distressed, destroyed, ripped, so with rips. Mint jean shorts, vintage high-waisted jean shorts, cheap jean high-waisted shorts, Joe's jeans rolled shorts. Okay, so a couple interesting things there. What was the one that I thought was interesting here? Oh, the surf. Yeah, I still think that's good. Blue Gap jean shorts, blue Maurice's shorts, blue Puma shorts, blue Nolly shorts, blue Topshop shorts, brown Aeropostale shorts, brown Day Trip shorts, brown Exhilaration shorts, brown Topshop shorts, something shorts that I can't say. Cicico. Those were boring. White striped BCBG generation shorts. So these are all going to say stripe white. I don't know why they come up in those kinds of ways. These all seem very repetitive to things that I've said before. They're just brands and shorts that say stripe white. So I'm going to save us some time on that. So I think the winner is the surf shorts. I think that's interesting. I think we've had many good reminders in this video. So let me know in the comments below, what of these keywords did you find interesting that you would maybe start to incorporate in your listings? Did you know about these? What questions do you have about these crazy keywords? I would love to know, and I'd love to hear your experience with them. I have a playlist of all the crazy keywords videos. Some are way better than today's video. You never know what you're going to get, but I hope that you will catch me. I have more coming as well. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.